Welcome to Joss Tech Piping Solution. Today our topic laterality fabrication calculation. Two type of laterality available. One equal laterality, another one unequal laterality. Our sample unequal laterality 14-inch header and a 10-inch riser or branch. First we see 10-inch riser or branch marking. Branch circumference equally divided into 16 parts. Our sample 14-inch header, 10-inch riser, 45-degree laterality, schedule 10S. There is SS pipe, 16 line. Branch cutback formula. Open bracket r minus root of open bracket r square minus open bracket sin d into b close bracket square double bracket close divided by sin y plus b open bracket 1 minus cos d close bracket divided by tan y. Here r is outside radius of header. D is degree of center line. B inside radius of riser or branch. Y is lateral degree. Now we see detail of formula. As per our formula, R is outside radius of header. Our header 14 inch. So OD is 355.6 mm. Outside radius means half OD. So OD divided by 2. 355.6 divided by 2 equal to 177.8 mm. So R equal to 177.8 mm. Our lateral sample degree 45. Normally 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree lateral are fabricated, but our sample 45 degree. Next one D, degree of center line. Our branch equally divided into 16 parts. So one side 8 part, another side 8 part. So equally divided into 8 part, 0 degree, 22.5, 45, 67.5, 90, 112.5, 135, 157.5, 180. So our branch circumference divided equally 16 parts. So 16 degree. Next one B, inside radius of riser. Riser OD 10 inch. We know 10 inch OD 273 mm. Inside radius means half OD minus 1 wall thickness. So our OD 273 divided by 2 equal to 136.5 mm minus 1 wall thickness. Our schedule 10S. So 10S schedule equal to 4.19 mm. So 136.5 minus schedule 4.19 equal to 132.3 mm. So B equal to 132.3 mm. Now we directly come to our cutback formula. Cutback mark 1 equal to, already we know the formula. Just type the formula. We know the value also. Already we solved. R equal to 177.8 mm. D equal to degree. The first mark degree 22.5. B value 132.3. Y value 45 degree 45. Just apply the value for the above formula by using scientific calculator. The answer is cutback mark 1 is equal to 20 mm. Mark the 20 mm from the reference line towards down. That means towards end of the pipeline. That mark 20 mm from the first mark line. That is 22.5 degree line. Same way, cut back mark to same formula, only the different degree of center line. Only changes already 22.5, now apply 45. By using calculator, the answer is 76 mm. This for mark 2 line. Now we mark the branch pipe second line 76 mm from the reference line. Now cut back mark 3. Same way, only changes D, degree of center line, now 67.5. So the answer is 150 mm. Now cut back mark 4. Same formula, only changes D. D equal to 90 mm. So the answer 215 mm. Cut back mark 5. D value 112.5. By using calculator, the answer is 252. Cut back mark 6. D value 135. So the answer 263 mm. Cut back mark 7. The D value 157.5. So the answer 265 mm. The last one, cut back mark 8. The D value 180. So the answer 264. Our next formula, lateral header hole for longitudinal side. The formula is bracket open r minus root of bracket open r squared minus bracket open sin d into b bracket close whole square double bracket close divided by tan y plus b bracket open 1 minus cos d divided by sin y. Already we solved the above formula values. R value we know 177.8 mm. D we know 22.5. B value 132.3. Y value 45. So we apply the value to the above formula by using scientific calculator. The answer is 21 mm. This is for A1 mark value. A2 mark, same formula, only change D value 45. So the answer 81 mm. A3 cut back mark, D value 67.5. So the answer 164 mm. Next one, cut back A4 mark, D value 90. So the answer 246 mm. Cut back A5 mark, D value 112.5. So the answer 307 mm. Cut back A6 mark, D value 135. So the answer 346 mm. A7 cut back mark, D value 157.5. So the answer 367 mm. Finally A8 D value 180. So the A8 mark value 374 mm. Our lateral T header marking circumference formula, bracket open sin inverse bracket open B into sin D divided by R bracket close double bracket close into R into tan 1. Here already we solved all the value. We know B value 132.3, D value 22.5, R value 177.8. So we apply this value to the above formula by using calculator. The answer is 51 mm. Next one, cutback mark B2. Only change the D value, D45. So the answer 98 mm. Cutback mark B3. The D value 67.5. So the answer 135 mm. Cutback B4 mark. The D value 90. So the answer 149 mm. Cut mark B5. The D value 112.5. So the answer 135 mm. Same way, cut mark B6. The D value 135. So the answer 98 mm. B7, cut mark, so D value 157.5. So the answer 51 mm. Finally, B8, cut mark, the D value 180. So the answer 0. 14-inch header, 10-inch branch, schedule 10 S, 16 division, cut mark length listed here. Lateral header and branch marking method, lateral back point, pipe length of lateral and reference line marking. All these topics I will explain in separate video. Thank you. Thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.